When I tell you that I literally use this every single night on my lips before going to bed, I am only speaking the truth. Guys, this is so true. This is literally in my nightstand right next to my bed because one of the last things I do before I go to sleep is I take a little bit of Vaseline and I put it on my lips and then I roll over and go to sleep. Guys, this is so important because it's one of the things that helps keep me from getting chapped lips. And that's what we're talking about today. I'm giving you 6 ways to help your chapped lips, help prevent chapped lips, all that good stuff. I'm going to tell you products that are good for your lips, products to stay away from, and other things you can do to help keep your lips nice and supple. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. Let's start with the ingredients that are good, okay? So when you're looking at products in the drugstore or whatever, you see lip balms and you see all sorts of stuff, and you're probably wondering, like, which ones are going to be good for me? Well, first of all, you don't have to get Vaseline, but just know that petroleum jelly, which is the white petroleum is the active ingredient in this, that is a great product for your lips in terms of keeping them supple. Other ingredients that are great is like lip balms and things with castor oil in them, mineral oil in them, shea butter. Those are some really good ones. And by the way, this is according to the American Academy of Dermatology. They have a few others, but those were some of the most common ones. You notice like the oil, that type of thing. These really sort of keep your lips, keep the moisture in, keep them supple, super important. Now, the products that you should stay away from, or rather the ingredients that can be irritative to your lips, that can burn your lips. And by the way, if your lips burn when you put on your lip product, that's not good. You should stop, okay? Burning doesn't mean it's doing its job. No, burning means it's irritating your skin, so just stop. But products or ingredients rather that can be irritating are products with eucalyptus or fragrances in them, flavorings, camphor or menthol. I actually can't use a lot of menthol products. Sometimes they make your lips kind of feel tingly and stuff like that. They really irritate my lips, so I can't actually do that. You might feel the same way as well. But in addition to those two things we just talked about, the ingredients that are good, plus the ingredients that are irritative, so stay away from those. Other things that will help. Oh, and by the way, the ingredients that are good for your lips I just mentioned a little earlier, like petroleum, mineral oil, castor oil, etc., use that several times a day on your lips. Like, do that a few times a day to make sure that your lips stay nice and moist and supple, okay, and not dry. Other things you should do is make sure that you're wearing an SPF on your lips, okay? We don't want no sunburned lips. Remember, when we go out, sometimes lips are the one thing that's sort of forgotten. So you want to make sure that you're wearing sunscreen, at least an SPF of 30 or higher. Very important. Also, something that can be very helpful is keeping a humidifier in your house or in your bedroom at least, just to keep enough moisture in the air, can be very helpful for your lips as well to make sure they don't dry out. And along those lines, tip number 5 is making sure you're staying hydrated. Drinking enough water is super, super, super important. And then number 6, guys, and this should sort of go without saying, but super important to say it, is don't pick at your lips. Don't pick or bite or like don't do any of that stuff to your lips, okay? Not only is it kind of like, ugh, but it's gonna like irritate your lips even further, okay? So we don't want you picking, biting, licking, peeling your lips or anything like that. We want you to keep them intact, keep them healthy, okay? That's what we want. Guys, I hope this is helpful. These are some products, at least ingredients that you can look for when you go to the drugstore, ingredients that you may want to avoid depending on how you respond, and other general practices. I hope this is helpful. Let me know what you do to keep your lips nice and supple and unchapped. Let me know in the comments what you do. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. For those of you on Facebook, please like and follow my page. Consider joining my subscription group, Dr. Jen Superstars. And for those of you who send stars, I respond to you individually. And for those of you who are on YouTube, hello, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the little bell for updates. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen. I'll see you soon.